Do you believe? Straight from a party, we're all on a roll tonight. Women be sparky, all the men be dancing right. Moving my body, clubbing feels so sweet. We turn and turn and turn again. We turn and turn and feel the heat. Straight from a party, music's come. Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good, good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog by Osmo Stuff. I happen to be Osmo Stuff, and thank you so much for tuning in. Sir, we're busy. Anyway, so today I am having a spend the day with me vlog. So basically, not spend the day, spend a few days. I keep saying spend the day when it's a few days. Spend a few days with me. Today is the 21st of April 2021. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you can. Yeah, today's the 21st of April 2021. It's a Thursday. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a few things today, tomorrow, the day after. I don't know until when, but this gentleman over here put Funted. Funted. So welcome back to Mommy's channel. Welcome back to Mommy's channel. Please like, please comment, and please subscribe. No, not in the mood. Okay. So yeah, we'll be doing a few stuff. Today I want to actually go do my toes. I've done my nails. I did them actually 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, mommy nails. We're getting longer because the reason I did the other ones really short was because I hadn't had the baby yet. I didn't know if I'm going to be able to handle the baby with long nails. But now I've had the baby for a month and a week. Ne? A month and a week. He's been alive for a month and a week now, so I'm confident on what I can or can't do with nails. So we're getting longer. I can bath him, I can change him, I can do everything. So I want to go do my toes. I didn't do my toes, so I'm gonna go to Sobe and go do my toes. My appointment is for a little later because I'm gonna wait for daddy to come back so daddy can stay with him. I can't go with him because he's too small for the car seat, and the car seat said it's for newborns, but still and we've tried to put stuff to keep his neck straight. Nothing's working, so I'm gonna wait for him to actually be a little older before we use the car seat. But we're gonna wait for daddy, and then he's gonna stay with daddy, and then I'm gonna go and do my toes. I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go run a few errands at the mall as well because there's a few stuff that I need to buy at the mall, so I'm gonna go do that also. Yeah, Loputi has been awake now for like 2 hours, and we've been chilling. I've been on my phone, been responding to emails and all of that, and we've just been chilling. I think ufunuvela, and akazuvela yena because akana YouTube channel at all. Akana YouTube channel, akazuvela ku YouTube. Uzovela ku channel yakho. Bless you, my love. Bless you, baby. You be a good doll. So yeah, being a mom. Being a mom and having to assume what everything means. You know, be a good dollar because he sneezed. But anyway, there's a lot of things I wanted to say, and now I've forgotten. My cleaning lady is here. So she's on the other side in case you guys hear noises. Camera yam put. Oh please, camera yam. So she comes in the morning and I just open for her and I go back to bed. So she's been here on the other side. So if you guys hear noises, that's her. So yeah, now we're gonna wake up, have something to eat, and then wait for dad. Dad is actually coming home just now at 12. It's 12, ne? Yeah, it's 12:05, and he's on his way now. Dad is on his way. Your favorite person on the whole wide world. I'm actually very tired. I don't know. I feel like if I've been sleeping for a long period of time, I get tired. And I've been sleeping for a long period of time because we woke up at 6, changed him and fed him. His dad changed him and I woke up and I fed him. And then he slept at around 7. But I didn't have any sleep, so I stayed awake and I slept at like past 9. And then we woke up. But I'm tired. I think you guys can even hear Wutumoyawam is a little, it's because I'm tired. But yeah, let's get it.
Do you believe? Straight from a party, we're all on a roll tonight. Women be sparky, all the men be dancing right, moving my body, clubbing feels so sweet. We turn and turn and turn again.
Morning, guys. Hi. Today is Saturday, the 23rd of April. Time is 11 a.m. So yesterday, I'm sorry, I just woke up and I'm rushing because there's a lot that has to be done today. Yesterday I went to the mall. I just ran a few errands, but unfortunately I didn't do my pedi. I didn't do my pedicure like I wanted to because I missed my appointment. And then I just couldn't get another one because they were fully booked. So my toes are still a mess. My toes are definitely still a mess. Yesterday, after going to the mall, we went straight to my mom's house to go eat dinner at my mom's house. And she said, this is Linda. So I'm losing weight, guys. My mom said I look skinny. So that's a good thing in my books. Don't take offense, Ndianazi. Yo, just don't take offense. I am happy because she said I am skinny. It has nothing to do with anyone else. Ndianazi. Speaking of offense, there's something I wanted to share with you guys that is actually very funny. But Ndianazi. Oh, bawo. Ndianazi. I want to share with you guys something somebody said in the comments that was actually funny, but you guys are gonna say, oh my god, Oyi, you're only focusing on the negatives. But actually, you know what, I'm gonna share it because I want to. I'm not sharing something negative, I'm sharing something that was funny. Okay, so please let loose and just laugh. Don't now be Nicolas Cage, don't be. Anyway, so Kona Lomto from my previous vlog, who was like, why am I speaking Zulu with my husband? Why are you speaking Zulu with your husband when you are closer? Are you starting to be fake now? Okay, Valentine boy. Like, sometimes oh my god, I'm so swollen. Actually, I'm so swollen. Good, I'm being fake for speaking Zulu with my husband. Once I start speaking Tsonga, uzosweleka, that person, like, she's going to pass on, because I'm not gonna speak Xhosa and my message is not getting across. Like, because he does understand Xhosa, but he doesn't understand deep Xhosa. Boy, he doesn't understand deep Xhosa, but you will, my love. He doesn't understand deep Xhosa. So why would I speak Xhosa? If you were to speak Tonga to me, because I don't hear what he's saying. Drinking. I said I was going to vlog when I go back to drinking, right? And I still will do that. I said I want to vlog the first time, like, I go back into drinking fully. So about that, I'm still going to do that, but right now I'm visiting alcohol. So as of last week or 2 weeks back, I started drinking, but I don't drink to like get drunk, because I don't drink to get drunk because I'm scared that, like, I'll fall asleep and I don't think he wants me to talk about this. I don't drink to get drunk. Nah. I just it's a pastime when I'm chilling with my friends and all of that. So I will be vagashelling today. So when I actually drink, like, into serious, then I will vlog. But yeah, and I'm still drinking like sweet stuff. I haven't drank a bottle yet. No, I did drink a glass of Jack, but it was so strong. I didn't understand what was going on. Ndayibeka pants. What was I saying? Oh, so I'm still drinking like ciders, but by ciders I don't mean Savvy, because Savvy is quite strong and Diarrhea for now. But yeah, I'm rambling at this point, so my say yeah, let's get into today. I'm so tired. I look swollen because I'm actually very, very tired. But let's get into it. You guys see my pigmentation is getting better. It's not as bad as it was. Like, it's still there, but it's not as bad as it was. Sorry. I got a phone call. I was saying today's Saturday. Since it's Saturday, my cousin is hosting at her place. She's having a games night thingy going on, so I'm going to go there later. Baby daddy is going to stay with his son. So yeah, I'm going to leave him with the baby, and I'm going to go to the games night. But now we are going out for breakfast because it's Saturday. Yeah, so we're gonna go out for breakfast. I'm gonna come back. There's a hair tutorial that I want to shoot because I have so much hair that I have to shoot. There's a hair tutorial I'm going to shoot. We're gonna go for breakfast. I'm gonna come back, get ready for the games night. In getting ready for the games night, I'm going to do the hair tutorial. I'm going to record the hair tutorial. So I might put in a few clips here and there as I'm getting ready, obviously. But yeah, I'm actually late for this breakfast. But yeah, I must be ready by 12. It's 10 to 12. So I'm quickly gonna hop in the shower. I hope this one stays asleep and doesn't wake up because he's passing out. I hope I'm not as I'm taking my shower. But I'm gonna take a quick shower and then get ready. Yeah. Okay guys, I just finished recording the hair tutorial. This doesn't look promising because the hair looks a mess right now, but please do check out the video. I don't know if it's going to be after this or before this. It looked fresher. It's just that, yeah, why am I explaining myself? Yeah, so now I'm going to my cousin Lunago's place for the games night. Yeah, and then come back and then have to drive to Witbank and all of that. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a mess. But yeah, we gonna get it. I'm actually very tired. I was supposed to be there at 3, but I told her that I was gonna be there at 4, and then my son decided to poop all over the place and just be a mess. So now it's 6. I'm going to leave probably in the next 15 minutes because I still need to get ready. I'm still wearing the dress that I was wearing earlier. I'm going to change that and then put on something else, jeans and a top. I don't know what top I'm gonna wear. Jesus, I'm gonna see when I open that wardrobe what's there. But yeah, I feel like I look cute, but yeah, my lips actually look cute in this lip gloss. This is the lip gloss I used. It's the Essence lip gloss in the shade Magic Match ngesilungu, Magic Match ngesixhosa. So let us get it. Actually looks so nice. My hairline always betrays me, hey, because it's right here by my eyebrow, and I'm not going to put my wig here because I have a forehead. You know, I'm not gonna look like my face starts with my eyebrows. I'm talking a lot and I'm quite late.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Morning guys.
Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me
today's
what
Sunday,
I
no?
need.
Today's Sunday. What's the date?
I don't know.
Dog.
27.
Today's I'm in the 20 something of, what's the month? April. 20 something of April. So we ended up not going anywhere. Baby, it was fine without.
Natural light.
Not too dark. Yeah, it's fine like that.
Something about me.
Yeah, the way it was fine. We didn't go anywhere. We ended up sleeping because of somebody who didn't want to drive at night, but that's okay. So today is basically my last day of vlogging. Yeah, we're going to go now to Macro to we bought a, what's this thing called? Heater. We bought a heater, but it's not doing what it's supposed to do, so we don't know what's the problem. So we're going to return it to ask them what's the problem, or to give us one without the problem, and then come back home. Then I'm gonna cook, and then it's a wholesome Sunday, and then spend time with this guy over here and that guy over here, spend time with my boys, and then yeah, I hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog so far.
Instead of the drama, 'cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too, but you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress and gone. Flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Okay, so I don't even know if I'm showing properly. I'm done cooking. I'm eating. One thing I can say, you guys must hire me to cook. Like, I'll come to your house and I'll cook for you, because wow. Anyway, you guys must let me know if you guys want this recipe for me to do a small meals or small stuff. I've been meaning to do one, but with the baby it's kind of like a struggle to do so, but I will try. One thing I want to do is apologize and explain. There's a lot of things that I owe you guys, like the baby shower video and what else, story times on my birth and my pregnancy and all of that. I will still do that, okay? Don't worry about it. I know I'm posting other stuff instead of posting those stuff, but I will get to it. I just need time, okay? This is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys to the moon and back, and to the moon again and back again, and so on and so forth. Bye.